So, dear students, I have already given you 5 more essential figures of speech in the previous video after the video on basic figures of speech. And now is the time to study more advanced level of figures of speech. So, let's explore some more figures of speech that are taught at advanced level. Synecdoche. It is a figure of speech where a part of something represents the whole or the whole represents a part. All hands on deck. Now, here the word hands stands for the sailors or crew members, the whole person. The world treated him harshly. The world refers to the people of the world, society, humanity. Metonymy. Metonymy is a figure of speech where a word is substituted with another word that is closely related to it. The crown will decide the nation's fate. The pen is mightier than the sword. Look for a related word being used instead of the actual thing. Paradox. Paradox is a figure of speech where a statement seems contradictory but actually reveals a deeper truth. Less is more, the beginning of the end. So, the tip here is if the statement looks confusing but makes sense upon reflection, it is a paradox. Euphemism. Euphemism is a polite or mild expression used in place of a harsh or unpleasant one. He passed away last night. She's between jobs. So look for softer words replacing direct or harsh ones. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is a figure of speech in which someone absent, dead, or non living is addressed as if alive and present. For example, O death, where is thy sting? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Identify when the speaker talks directly to someone or something that cannot respond. There is apostrophe figure of speech. Eventually, allusion. Allusion is an indirect reference to a well known person, place, event, or work of art. For example, he met his Waterloo. She was as wise as Solomon. Check if the text hints at something famous without explaining it.